Hi, plastics. As you know, the plastics is one of the hazardous materials in the earth, spoiling the earth total biosphere and also the biodiversity and overall soil structure and affecting the microorganisms developments and the plastics is all the way is a carcinogenesis. So now the most of the major construction industries, construction sites, what we are seeing, the plastic bottles and plastics are everywhere in the major construction sites. This is the time to think about the alternative of plastics. You see, when you see the big sites, big construction sites and all, we are seeing the plastic bottles, plastic carry bags, and so many plastic items around the construction site areas. So for the HSC, environmental and social people, they have a big struggle of this kind of hazardous plastic material. And these plastics are highly, for construction sites, it's a highly risky and hazardous. So it's better to plan for the plastics before starting the projects itself. It's a think about the alternatives, how we can replace the plastics instead of using the plastic. You can use lot of biodegradable material in the construction sites. There are lot of ideas are there. In the entrance point itself, you can filter the plastic things by giving the environmental rules and regulations. It's a zero plastic area. We can call it as a zero plastic area for that construction site. Then from the gate itself, the water bottle totally avoidable. Then instead of water bottle, you can ask, or you can give the reusable some other items, like lot of materials are there where silver is there. Then we can use for copper, the water cans, they can reuse it for that. And also the mud pots are there. Well, it's also water cans, also mud water cans also available. So these things you can start from the gate itself, instead of using the plastic bottles. And also the carry bags, totally avoid the carry bags. Use the jute bags or some other cloth bags. So it will easy for them to use they can reuse the jute bags and cloth bags. So all construction works are going on around the world for this much climatic changes, this much environmental disasters, what we are facing, all due to the chemicals. And also the plastics also one of the major culprit. So it's a time to think about, for all construction sites in the world, think about alternative of plastics. As I said, we can use it silver, copper pots or mud pots, or reusable it. And also the company itself, they can give this pots for reusing purpose. And also the instead of carry bag and various food bags, they can give the jute or some other reusable cloth bags. So these things definitely change worldwide the environmental part, because these all, once it's dumped into the site, it will make the hazardous environment for that construction site. So for clean and green earth, it's better to avoid the plastics in the all major construction industries. It is the first sign. When you do it for a sign, then everybody started to do, then it will save the earth by means of reducing the plastic all the way. Where once you, even though when you send it to the recycling company, again it's burden to the earth only. So it's better to avoid plastics in all construction areas. In constructions only, you can use the reusable item that will make the environment clean, green, and our microorganisms, our biodiversity, and also food chain also always live, and also the it will improve the plants conditions, and all plants are very happy without plastics, and also the organisms and various natural flora fauna, definitely they will like if the plastics are there, not there that much. So please avoid the plastics and replace the plastics, make it more alternative solutions to make this earth always live and vibrant and be green. Thank you.